Well folks, I have myself a very nice cabin for the night. Cost 84 bucks. It's very nice, mainly because it's nice, but mainly because of the aircon. Well, I'm going through all my stuff. I have it out of the van because I have to organise myself on what I'm taking on the plane tomorrow. Tomorrow I fly from Cairns to Bamaga, the far north of Queensland, to start my new job. So I'm trying to work out what I need. I don't need much, however, my new boss says there's heaps of opportunity to play music up there. And I used to be a musician on the cruise ships before now, and I have my guitar and a few things with me, so I thought, well, I'll take it as well, because maybe I can do some music. So it gives me heaps more stuff to take. And I've got my laptop and computer working here for my website and online business that I'm trying to get off the ground, so I have quite a bit of stuff that I need to pack in. So that's what I'm doing now. Anyway, I'll keep doing it. But my room, oh, I love it. I love it. I went to a motel before this to book in, before this today, and the lady at the reception and her helper were so rude that just before they were about to take my money, I said, forget it, I'm going somewhere else. And I got my stuff back and I left. They were so rude. This is much better, so much better. I'm looking forward to a good rest. Alright, I'll keep doing my packing. See you in the next video. If you like the video, hit subscribe, hit the like button. That way you'll get notified to all my new videos as I upload them, and I'll see you in the next video.